So over here, you can see that I have a folder, and I have a folder named images right here. And inside I got the photos collection right here. So when you're working with Lightroom, it's handy to have all of the photos that you work with in one particular catalog in one particular folder like this, because Lightroom catalog only goes ahead and saves a link to those photos. And if the photos are disorganized, then you might not know like where the photos are actually stored in the long run. So this is what you have, as you can see. And as the photos are saved onto the same location, you can simply go ahead and import it. So now if I were to go around onto import right here, then what happens is that I can go ahead and simply go ahead and access out the TTTube drive right here that I have. So it simply goes around and displays out all the images that I have in the root folder. I can also go ahead onto images right here just like this, and over here you can already see that these are the photos that I imported, and by default all of the images that you have are selected. You can go ahead and uncheck it or check it all right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You got the grid view, or you can also go ahead and view out loop view right here and change around the zoom level right here just like this as well. So this photo is already in catalog, as you can see right here, and I can utilize my arrow keys to actually go around and scroll go through the photos. But if I were to go to the grid view, then I can already see these photos right here. So let's uncheck all right here, so none of them are selected. So now for the photos that you want, you can simply go ahead and choose it like this and import it out. So just like this, you can see that I got multiple photos right here that I can simply go ahead and choose. And then you can also go ahead and change around the thumbnail size right here if you want a larger preview right here. And you can also go ahead and sort out the pictures by time, sort out the pictures by state, by file name, by file type, or a media type as well, or just let it be. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and then click on import right here. And then what happens is that all of the files gets added in right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and import out pictures into Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.